Guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to deal with chapter real numbers, dosage exercise of page number 18 and 19. Okay, let's start. Okay, page number 18, guys. Dosage exercise. So they gave some evaluation sums. We need to write in the form of exponential form the loss of indices. Okay, let's start, guys. Okay, what is given first one? Evaluate 2 power 1. So according to the loss of indices or loss of exponents, we have a power m, right? If here base is a, m is power or exponent, where a is repeated m times. Here base is 2, power is 1. So 2 is repeated 1 time. So we get result as 2. Okay, guys. So you need to mention all the steps in exam. Second one, 4.73 power 0. So by the loss of indices, we have a formula, right? Any base to the power 0 is value is 1. Therefore, if the base is any number, if the exponent is 0, then the value will be 1 always. Okay, coming to what is given, 0 power 3. 0 is a valueless value. Therefore, according to the loss of indices, because we are using a loss of indices, right? So mention according to that rule, 0 power 3. So by using the loss of indices, it is in the form of a power m, where base is 0 and exponent is 3. Okay, the value will be 0, right? 0 cube means 0 is repeated 3 times. 0 into 0 into 3 is 0, that equal to 0. Okay, coming to fourth one, minus 1 whole power 4. Here base minus 1 is repeated 4 times. So mention the step like this, 0 minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, because the power is indicates number of times repeated the base, that equal to 1. When you simplify this, you will get 1, because there are 4 even number of minus symbol, right? So we get positive number. So by the laws of indices, guys, this is in the form of a power m. Okay, so this can be written as a into up to n times. So minus 1 is repeated up to 4 times. So that's it. You have to write in the form of loss of indices, and also you should simplify. Okay, so coming to fifth sum, what is given, 0.25 whole power minus 1. By the loss of indices, what is given, this is in the form of a power minus m. So a base is decimal number and the exponent is negative number. So this can be written as a fractional form. So this can be written as 1 by 0.25. So you can simplify further. This becomes reciprocal of the fraction. Therefore, it becomes 100 by 25 is 4. Okay. So coming to sixth one, 5 by 4 whole power 2. So by the loss of indices, guys, this is in the form of a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m. That can be written as a power m by b power m. Okay. So simplify, 5 power 2 by 4 power 2. This can be written as 5 power 2 by 4 power 2. In nothing but 5 is repeated 2 times. In nothing but 5 into 5, 25. 4 is repeated 2 times. In nothing but 4 into 4, 16. That's it. So coming to next sum, 1 by 4 whole square. Here it is given as fractional form, mixed fraction. So convert into normal fraction, then simplify. Becomes 4 ones 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 whole square. This is also similar to the previous sum, guys. So by the loss of indices, this is in the form of a by b whole power m. So this power is, you can split to each and every term, to numerator term and also to the denominator term. So this can be written as a power m by b power m. So that indicates 5 square by 4 square, nothing but 5 is repeated 2 times, nothing but 5 into 5 is 25. Base is, denominator part is 4 square, that is 4 into 4, nothing but 16. That's it. So there is no cancellation, so you can stop the step here itself. Okay. So coming to second question, what is given here? Express 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh is exponential form. We have to express the given numbers in the form of exponential form. Simple guys. So 10 can witness, here 10 is repeated only one time. So you can write 10 to the base, 10 is a base and power is 1, because this power indicates number of times this 10 is repeated. Okay, this is in the form of a power m. Similarly 100 can be witnessed as a product of 10, right? So 10 into 10. So here 10 is repeated 2 times, therefore it becomes base is 10, power is 2. Okay. Similarly 1000 can be witnessed as a product of 10, that indicates 10 into 10 into 10. So here 10 is repeated 3 times, base is 10, power is 3. So always the power indicates the number of times the base repeated. Okay. So 10,000 can be witnessed as a product of 10 into 4 times, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, that can witness 10 power 4. This is in the form of a power m guys. So I have mentioned here where base is repeated m times. Here also the base is repeated 4 times. Always the power indicates the number of times the base repeated term. 1 lakh. Here 1 lakh can be witnessed as a product of 5 terms, that can be witnessed 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That's it. These are all the simple one word answers or you may expect in the objective type. Okay. Coming to B section, express in simplest exponential form. Here, what is the difference between the previous step and previous sum and this sum? Here they gave, in the previous sum it was given in the terms of tens, hundreds and thousands, but here they give certain number, we need to express in exponential form. We need to simplify and we need to express in exponential form. Okay, so first take down the first term. 16 can be written as a product of 2 terms, that is 2 is a prime, 8 is a composite. So again this 8 can be written as a product of prime numbers, so 2 into 4, 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Now 2 cannot split into further, therefore this can be written as a exponential form. Okay, 64 can be written as 2 into 32. Again 32 is a composite, so convert into prime, 2 into 16, where 16 is a composite, convert into product of prime, therefore 8 is a composite, convert into product of prime, 2 into 4, where 4 is a composite, convert into prime. Now all are prime numbers, we cannot split into further, therefore it is repeated 6 times, it can be written as 2 power 6. Okay, so now mention, here it is given 16 into 64, so it can be written as 2 power 4 into 2 power 6. I have mentioned here. Okay. So according to the loss of indices, when the base are same, here base is 2, your base is 2, power is 4, your base is 2, power is 6, right? So when the bases are same, power should be added guys. So it becomes 2 power 10. That's it. No need to simplify here. 2 into 2 into 2 into up to 10, not necessary. This you have to mention in the form of formula, that is loss of indices. That's it. Go to next sum. Coming to second sum, what is given here? 25 into 125. So take 25 as separate and 125 as separate and do separate simplification, then you convert into product. Okay, 25 can be written as a product of 2 prime numbers, that is 5 into 5. That's it. So it can be written as a power notation as 5 square. Okay, now 125 can be written as 5 into 25. Again 25 is a composite, convert into prime, that is 5 into 5. Therefore it becomes 5 is repeated 3 times, therefore it can be written as 5 power 3. Now what is given question? 25 into 125 can be written as 5 square into 5 power 3. So this is also similar to a previous sum. According to the loss of indices, when the base are same, Here also base is same. Base is 5, power is 2. Base is 5, power is 3. When the base is same, power should be added, guys. Okay, this is in the form of a power m into a power n. A power m plus n. It becomes 5 power 5. 2 plus 3, nothing but 5 power 5. No need to simplify. Okay. So, coming to last sum. What is given? 120 divided by 32. So write in fractional form. Division nothing but fraction, right? So take separate 128 and do simplification. Take 32 separate and do simplification. Then you can take the division type. Okay. Now 128 can be written as 2 into 64. Where 64 is a composite, convert into prime. 2 into 32. Where 32 is a composite, convert into prime. Can be 2 into 16, where 16 is a composite, convert into prime, product of prime numbers, 2 into 8, where 8 is a composite, can be next 2 into 4, where 4 is a composite, convert into prime, it becomes 2 into 2. Now it cannot be right as a further into product, therefore this is a last conclusion step. So it can be next 2 post 7, 2 is repeated 7 times. Similarly 32 can be written as 2 into 16, okay. So 16 is a composite, convert into prime. So 8 is a composite, convert into prime. So like that I have mentioned here. Here 32 is repeated is a power of 5 to the base 2. Okay. Now write in the question format. 128 by 32 is nothing but 2 power 7 by 2 power 5. So according to loss of indices, this is in the form of a power m by a power n, that can be written as a power m minus n. Okay, a power m minus n. So that becomes 2 power 7 minus 5, nothing but 2 square, nothing but 4. Okay guys. So I hope you understand this sum. In the next video, we are going to cover with page number 19 sum. So go through this. Thank you for watching this.